Is your AirPods case refusing to charge? You're not alone. This is a common issue, typically stemming from a few key reasons. It could be something as simple as a blocked charging port due to dust or lint. A faulty cable or adapter could also be the culprit. Or it might be a software glitch preventing proper charging detection. Or even hardware failure like battery degradation or a damaged port. We will cover these issues in depth and show you simple ways to fix them, including the latest tips for 2026. Before diving into advanced solutions, let's cover the basics. First, inspect the charging port for any visible debris. Use a small brush or compressed air to gently clean it. Next, try a different charging cable and adapter. Ideally, use an Apple-certified cable to ensure the correct voltage. Make sure the wall outlet is working. These simple checks often resolve the issue quickly. If cleaning and cable swaps don't work, a software glitch might be the culprit. Force reset your AirPods case by pressing and holding the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Then make sure your iPad is running the latest iOS version. Check for new AirPods firmware in your phone settings, as outdated software can prevent charging. The latest firmware is 6A312. After updating, your AirPods case should charge properly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work and the case still won't charge, the issue is likely hardware-related. First, check the battery health in your device settings to see if the case's battery capacity has dropped below 80%. Next, inspect the charging port for any physical damage like bent pins or debris that could block the connection. If you suspect liquid damage from spills or humidity, place the case in a bag with silica gel packets to absorb moisture for 24 to 48 hours. For severe hardware issues, professional repair or replacement through Apple is often the best option to ensure proper functionality. Keep in mind that environmental factors like moisture and climate can increase hardware failures, particularly in humid regions such as the U.S. Gulf Coast. Wireless charging issues often stem from compatibility problems. Ensure your AirPods case supports either Qi standard or Apple's MagSafe technology. Proper alignment is crucial for wireless charging. The case must be centered on the pad for optimal power transfer. Wireless charging can be disrupted by electromagnetic interference from nearby electronic devices. Keep phones, laptops, and other gadgets at least 6 inches away from the charging pad. If charging still fails, try a different wireless charging pad to rule out a faulty device. Many issues can be resolved simply by using an alternative charger. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your AirPods case still won't charge, it's time to contact Apple support. They can run diagnostics to identify potential hardware defects and may offer free repairs or replacements under warranty, especially if you are within the first 2 years of owning the device. Be prepared to provide proof of purchase and a description of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Contact Apple support for expert assistance with your AirPods charging issue. For tech-savvy users, DIY repairs offer an affordable way to fix common AirPods case charging issues, especially battery replacements. Websites like iFixit provide detailed guides and affordable replacement parts for fixing issues such as faulty battery connectors. However, be cautious, as improper repairs can void warranties or cause additional damage to delicate electronic components. If you're not comfortable working with electronics, it's best to seek professional help from Apple or a reputable third-party repair shop. According to iFixit, many charging failures are due to solder joint failures, which are repairable at home for $20 to $30, unlike Apple's $99 replacement fee.